I'm looking at these. Are you seeing these lights? It's amazing. I didn't think that they would move like this. And she said, you know what? And I looked down on the ground. There was a bunny standing next to me, also looking up at the northern lights.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Are you?
Yes.
Right when I'm taking a video?
Yes.
Okay, show everybody how the sink works. Okay. Oh. Turning on the water. Why are your hands so dirty?
I peeled the stick.
You peeled a stick for fun?
Yeah. Nothing else. Just tell me one piece, that's it. Only tell me one.
Oh, we're just in the middle of nowhere, nobody around.
Yeah, no big deal.
No
big deal.
big deal. Left the key in ignition.
Save the day!
Are you holding this battery? Am I holding
Yeah, got it.
it? Woo! Let's do that again.
Hopefully it didn't just kill the battery right now.